common markings but you refuse them?
Yes, because ang documents naman po nila ay sa kanila at ang documents namin ay sa amin. So sa amin, because we're just being very careful then with the way we do things. This is really the way we do things naman. We want our own documents to be marked kahit na similar yung documents. Ito rin po kasi yung mga dokumento na gagamitin natin during the course of the trial. So yun naman po ay napag-usapan na at naintindihan naman ng bawat party kung ano yun.
Ano yung reaction daw po dun sa request ng impeachment, ng prosecutor's impeachment court compel the defense to specify bakit niyo po nilista rin yung mga witnesses ng prosecution?
Unang-una sa lahat, wala po sa tingin ko po sa aming pananaw, hindi naman po tama yung terminology na mirroring or adopting because as you know, and you were here that day, halos sabay po kaming nag-submit ng pre-trial brief. Nasa bawat panig naman po yun kung sinong witnesses at anong mga dokumento ang iprepresenta. Ngayon, pagdating doon, if they file such a request, motion, manifestation, the defense is ready to respond accordingly.
Salamat po. Thank you po, Attorney.
Or pieces of evidence that they will be presenting. So I don't see the issue in that. But again, if they are willing to file the manifestation, tayo po respeto po natin sila. But we will also respond accordingly, because we keep on harping on this issue. When in fact, sabay naman pong nagbigay ng pre-trial brief, and it is well within the prerogative of each party to identify and present the witnesses that they would like to present.
Attorney, tama po ba yung pwede ang surprise witness with 3 days notice?
Sa amin, basta sa atin, meron naman talaga mga reservations, pagkabilang panig. Kami din sa defense, meron din kaming na-reserve na witnesses, hindi namin pinangalanan. Bakit? Para sa kanilang seguridad. And if there is a rule that we have to disclose within 3 days, wala naman po kami nagiging problema doon. In fact, kami pa nga po yung humingi ng disclosure, number 1, ng order of trial, meaning anong article ang uunahin. And pangalawa, kung sino ang witnesses, humingi rin kami ng disclosure kung sinong mauna, sinong sunod. Bakit po? Kasi po, para po makapaghanda ang bawat panig, ang prosecution at defense, at pati na rin po ang impeachment court, ang ating senator judges. At kami din naman po sa defense, kung hiningi namin yun sa prosecution, willing din naman po kami na kami rin ay sumilalim sa ganung disclosure. Okay? Thank you. Good morning. Good morning po sa inyo.
Thank you, sir. Went well, except that marami talaga tayong dokumento, that need to be marked because that is the requirement of the rule in this pre-trial conference. But we will be continuing today, and we hope na matapos at the soonest possible time, although medyo malabo pang matapos today. Yeah.
Pabutin po kayo talaga ng Thursday?
Well, let's wait and see, It's because it needs to be checked by the defense, every piece of evidence, before we are able to mark. And for documents evidencing payments alone, it's thousands.
So natatagalan po, not because of arguments, but because of
The process of marking.
volume din po.
Yes, it needs to be compared. Initially, we asked that if it is possible one marking for common exhibits. But the defense denied that. Kasi as has been previously shared to the media, maraming exhibits ang prosecution na adopted ng defense. So we requested na marking of common exhibits, meaning isang exhibit, doon na magmamark parehas. But it was denied by the other party. So what's gonna happen is, separate marking yung sa prosecution, separate marking yung sa defense, even if they pertain to the same document.
Ma'am, regarding witnesses, meron bang witnesses ang prosecution na inalmahan na ng defense? May ganun
Wala
ba?
namang ganon kasi about the list of witnesses, submission lang naman yung nangyari. So we submitted our list, they submitted their list as well. Although as previously pronounced also, marami ding witnesses ng prosecution na listed also in the list of witnesses of the defense.
Ma'am, smooth naman kahapon, wala namang tensions between the prosecution and the defense?
As far as I know, smooth naman. Okay?
Sorry, ma'am. Expect today, ma'am, kasi sabi po kahapon umabot po ito ng Thursday. Tama po.
Actually, we are hoping to finish at the soonest possible time. Kaya lang, the reality is, voluminous ang documents, most especially in confidential funds. And like what I have shared earlier, no? Notwithstanding the fact na merong common documents, and notwithstanding the fact that we requested for marking of common documents, one document by prosecution and by defense, the defense did not agree to that. So ang mangyayari, separate marking, separate documents, kahit parehas naman sila.
What is expected to be finished na lang today, ma'am? Meron bang
We will continue with confidential fund and I think unexplained wealth also. Yun na lang muna. Thank you.
Thank you po. Ay, Bang Ren.